Sat Shri Akal Saranu and welcome again. I am just trying to capture the beautiful view of moon. The moon is rising and on the other side of my window the sun is setting. This is just wow. Two beautiful things in the same video. This is something magical. The sun is gently setting. That's just behind me. I will show you. Where the moon is slowly rising, calm and silver. And the sun is setting here, gently painting the sky with fire. It's just like the earth is breathing in and breathing out. So you enjoy the rest of the beautiful video. Bye for now.